Just try one of these things. Make them for your friends too. Hello family, friends, and fellow food fans. I'm Jake, the Unqualified Chef, reminding you that you don't always have to have the best quality ingredients to enjoy a quality meal. Today we're going to be talking about corn tortillas. That's right, the slightly better than cardboard version that you're going to find at any supermarket. Today I have my stove on high heat. That's the key. We want this so hot that we take our bowl of water, we're going to take our fingers, spritz the pan. Toss in a couple tortillas. Spritz this pan again. Immediately flip over. Basically what's going on is the water is flash evaporating and the steam is permeating the skin of the tortilla. It's getting the inside nice and pliable and soft, but the outside is getting a little char on it and slightly crispy, but not too crispy. It's not going to break on you. The pan is starting to smoke right now. That's okay. We're on really high heat. Give them a quick turn. You can see the nice little char going on right here. Give them a little spin. Move them around your pan. Distribute that heat evenly. You know, it's hard to find a good tortilla nowadays. Sometimes you can get them in Texas at a few Tex-Mex restaurants. You know, even Mexico, they ship from a warehouse, so sometimes you get them even up to a day old. But these are actually better than restaurant quality, and I'll prove it. Just try one of these things. Make them for your friends too. We just flipped them over one more time. They're just about done. I'm turning the heat off. That's all I want for now. We have perfect tortillas. Takes about a minute to a minute and a half depending on how hot your pan is. I just added some water to this pan. You can see just how hot it is. It's about how hot you want it. These tortillas are so good you can eat them just like this. My kids love them. These tortillas are a great base for any Mexican or Tex-Mex cooking that you do. Hey, thanks for watching today. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, make the food, share that with your friends. Tell them you learned it on the Unqualified Chef, where you don't always have to have the best quality ingredients to enjoy quality. I'm going to catch you next time.